I've always been into reusing clothing for the simple fact that most clothing wasn't my exact taste. I usually always removed a part of the item or added something to make it my own. On top of that, fast fashion is being pumped daily just for someone to take one photo for Instagram and to the trash it goes. I know after it's trash, very few people think about where it goes, but it definitely goes somewhere. Not to mention the horrible conditions many workers are suffering from to create these cheaply made items. The truth is, fast fashion isn't free. Someone is paying for it. The fashion industry has been called out as one of the most environmentally damaging industries. It takes so much slave labor, pollution, chemical output, and many other functions that go into making our clothing. In short, fashion is destroying our planet. Real change in the clothing industry will only come if the big, popular brands find a way to make and sell sustainable clothing. Nike is on the right track. And I'm here with this exclusive shoe, the Space Hippie 3. Y'all, I am so geeked about this shoe. This is Nike's most sustainable shoe. And because of my sustainability efforts, I'm a sustainable girl. I like to reuse, recycle, clothing and all that. Because of that, Nike sent me this sustainable shoe to match my wardrobe. How cool is that? I mean, I'm so geeked about this, guys. So I want to do this unboxing for you guys because this shoe is not out yet, okay? It won't come out till the spring, April. So I'm one of the first people to actually get this shoe. So I wanted to show you guys the shoe and what it's made of and how they came up with this design and everything before it comes out. So on Nike's website, they have, a rundown of basically how this shoe is designed. And it's inspired by Mars with its futuristic design, and it's used of quote-unquote space junk, which is Earth's trash. So it's basically made out of recycled goods or things that will be seen as trash for Nike, but they used all their trash to make a treasure, and they call it space junk. So it makes this futuristic design, and it's super cute, super lightweight. Also, they have 4 different designs. This is the Space Hippie 2. They have, one of the 4 is the most sustainable, but they all are extremely sustainable. Now, the very top is made of plastic water bottles, t-shirts, and yarn scraps, creating the sustainability. And the bottom is made of 15% Nike grind rubber combined with 100% recycled foam materials, making it super, super, super lightweight. So I definitely had to test out these bad boys, okay? Just so I can get the full experience on how great this shoe is. Because sometimes when they make shoes, we want to see if they paid attention to detail too, or make sure that it's still held up with performance. So take a look as I try out this beautiful shoe. This shoe is super, super comfortable. It feels like you're walking on Mars, really, like air. So they didn't sacrifice quality. So it actually, it feels great, it looks great, it's really cool, it's sustainable, it saves the planet. So, I think it's worth buying. So when this shoe comes out, don't even think about it. Just like Nike says, just do it.